Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the wallpaper section. Here we can see that we can select our new wallpaper from our device local photos. If you, for example, take photos previously, or for example, if you got the different albums here with the downloaded from the internet photos, for example. And also we got here the default wallpapers, and also we can select the online wallpapers. But if you wanna just use the online wallpapers, be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. So now I'll show you how to set the default wallpaper, and also we got the second way how we can just set the new luxury wallpaper. I'll show you how we can set the wallpaper from the internet, the online wallpaper. So, and for example, select this wallpaper, click here to apply, and we want to set the wallpaper on our device lock screen. So click here to set as lock screen. Here we can see the message that we just applied this wallpaper successfully, and now we'll check that, and as you can see, we just successfully change our device lock screen wallpaper. So the second way how we can change our device lock screen wallpaper, just here swipe with the two fingers at the same time to the center, and on the left down corner you will see here the wallpaper icons. Click here, and by the same way you will see here the just the same wallpaper settings and these folders for the default wallpapers, local photos, and online wallpapers. And now we can set one from this online photos, for example this one. See here, you can see here that we can't connect to the network, so just we should connect to Wi-Fi on our device, or if you got the mobile data, that's okay also. So I just connected device to the internet, and now we'll go back here to the wallpaper, to the wallpapers, and now we'll select one from these photos, for example this one. Now just click here to apply and set as lock screen. Wait a second, go back here, and as you can see, we'll just successfully change again our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.